So here is how you can add bulk contacts into the iPhone. Let me explain the whole thing. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So when you get inside of your iPhone, in order to add multiple contacts at the same time in bulk, you need to have them stored in a specific file type beforehand. And the file type which I'm referring to is called vcard or VCF, right? So if I look that up, you can see that this is the contacts file, which is in the VCF format. So if I hold down on this, for example, and get the info, you can see this file extension. And the point is that if you have it like this, you can easily just hold it down on it, click on share, and open it through the contacts like this, and it will import everything, all of the contacts to your phone right here. So as you can see, I can click on add all of them and add all of them in bulk to my contacts list. So you might be wondering, like, how exactly do I create this VCF file type for my contacts? So it depends on where you have the contacts before. If you have them on another iPhone, then you can just go to your contacts app and select all of them like this, hold it down on it and click on share, and you can perhaps choose all of the details, continue, and you can see that right now I am exporting the VCF file type. So if you export multiple contacts from one place, they are usually going to be put together into this file, which you can use to add them in bulk to your contacts on another phone or wherever else you want, right? So that is how it works. Also, for example, if you have the Android device available, like I do right here, it kind of works similarly, right? Because you also have the ability to go to the Contacts app like this, click on the right, tap on Manage, and when you click on Export, you also are exporting in the VCF format. So yeah, as I say, it doesn't really matter which device you are getting it from. As long as you put them into this file, then you'll be able to import them in bulk to the iPhone. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to quickly explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the future videos.